Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video that's long overdue, and that's an unboxing of the brand new M1 iPad Pro in the colour silver 5G edition in 128 gigabytes. And here it is in itself, obviously in the box, and let's get to it. So as usual, there's a handy tab here, so we're going to do that now. Not bad. Quickly take this out of the box. Come on. iPad boxes are always hard to open, I find. Oh no, there we go. It's just made a liar out of me. Pop that down there. This is the device itself. It's a 12.9 inch, and this is probably going to be the cleanest it's going to be after I start using it. So just pull this out of the box, pop that to one side. What else do we get? We get the usual booklet and rubbish. And we get charging plug and lightning cable, and that's it. Back to the device itself. Oh, it folds out from the back, okay. And in terms of its look and design, it looks identical to the 2018 model, but I've heard that it's ever so slightly thicker. I have no clue by how much, but it looks extremely thin, which I'll show you in a moment, if you can see. Have you seen how thin that is? And for those that don't know, that's for this here is where the Apple Pencil goes if you happen to own one, which I do recommend. So let's power this on. And I'll be right back to show you the initial setup. But first I'm actually going to swipe up that. We're going to choose English, United Kingdom. Yeah. And I'll be right back after the setup.
Many minutes later.
Hi guys, we are now back. I've just been through the setup, and at the moment the iPad still is in the middle of restoring from iCloud, and it's telling me I actually do have an update to iOS 14.6, which no doubt soon will be 14.7, and of course at the end of the year version 15, which brings nothing to the table whatsoever, in my opinion, in making the iPad Pro more like some would consider a laptop replacement. But it's still great nonetheless, and I'm really happy that I got it. And I'll just flip it around for you, and this is the main home screen with the wallpaper, and I've just gone into music, which we don't want because I'll be copyrighted faster than you can say demonetization. Even though I'm not monetized, but you know what I mean. Yeah, go away text messages. So, I hope you've watched this. I hope you watched. Well, obviously you are watching, I hope. What I mean is, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next one really soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks, guys.